What if one character could exist in 4 completely different worlds? Today I am drawing Yoshi in cartoon pixel 3D and dinosaur style, all in one artwork. Make sure you watch till the end because the final result looks insane. Each quadrant represents a different style and each one has its own technique and vibe. Let's start with the most familiar one. We are starting with the cartoon version of Yoshi. Here I am using bright and clean color, nothing too complex. I begin with the base green and carefully stay inside the lines to keep everything neat. Now for the shading, notice I am keeping it very soft and minimal. Cartoon style isn't about realism, it's about clarity and fun shapes.
Living life as a nomad, take it day by day, because there's no one to tell us what to do. I want us.
The eyes are super important here. I add bright blue with a clean white highlight to make them pop. Alrighty, this side looks lively and expressive. Now that the cartoon side is done, let's switch things up completely. Welcome to the Pixel world. This part is inspired by classic retro game. Instead of smooth coloring, I am working square by square using a grid pattern.
When you get to play, you think you know the rules, but I change them every day.
Each pixel matters, so I carefully choose where to place darker and lighter shades. You can see the edges and blocky angles, and that's exactly the goal.
Everyone gets I'm greedy like that. I'm a greedy girl. Just breathe, feel like oxygen. Are you counting from 1 to 10? Listen, baby, I say when. Baby, I say when. Don't make a move till I tell you to. 'Cause baby, I say when. Only I say when.
This style takes patience, but the result feels nostalgic, like an old school game spirit. From retro to realistic, let's move into something more dimensional. Now I'm working on the 3D version. Here lightning becomes everything. I imagine a light source coming from one direction and start adding shadows on the opposite direction. I layer darker tones slowly and blend them to create smooth transitions. Then I add highlights to give that shiny rounded look. This makes Yoshi feels like he could jump right off the page.
I'm greedy like that. I'm a greedy girl. Just breathe, feel like oxygen. Are you counting from 1 to 10? Listen, baby, I say when. Baby, I say when. Don't make a move till I tell you to. 'Cause baby, I say when. Only I say
And finally, time to go back to Yoshi's roots. This is the dinosaur style. Since Yoshi is inspired by a dinosaur, I'm making this version more natural and textured. I use deeper greens, rougher shading, and slightly earthy tones. Instead of smooth blends, I add a bit of uneven texture to give a more realistic feel. This version looks less cartoony and more like an actual creature.
I've been going through some hard stuff, getting knocked down, getting right back up. Only mistake I made was thinking you would have my back, but it's one-way track. That's right, now I've had enough. Your bad behavior isn't what I'm worth, no, that's right. Now I've had enough. You don't see it, but I see it.
Now I'm going over the entire artwork, fixing small details and making sure all 4 styles look balanced together. Each section is unique but they all connected into one complete drawing. And here's the final result. 4 styles, 1 character, cartoon, pixel, 3D and dinosaur. All versions of Yoshi in one frame. Comment below which style was your favorite. I'd like to know. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative drawing like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.